Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so you read the title, you seen the thumbnail, you know why you're here, you know why I'm here. We are going to be unboxing and giving our thoughts on the American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. So, I'm so excited about this. I was so excited to receive this box. Guys, I didn't even do my makeup. Today, I was going for a makeup-free day because, well,
I'm depressed and stressed and, well, I don't know what the difference is, but I'm both of them.
So I didn't have my makeup on. I ain't worn makeup in a couple of weeks. But I figured, hey, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do this. So we're going to be unboxing this and seeing what we got. Now, I'll tell you all about them in just a minute. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on none of my videos. And I also do a lot of spoilers. You damn sure don't want to miss out on them. And before we get started, if you're new here,
Hi, I'm Mandy.
I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some BoxyCharm survey spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says first, hey Mandy. Hey Jenny, honey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and always coming and watching my videos. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't want that? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now I'm pretty sure Aki will be joining us in a second because he's standing over there looking at me. And remember what I told y'all, he thinks this channel is like huge. So he thinks he's getting famous, and he's my clout chasing kitty. So you don't know he's on the wrong channel. The American Influencer Beauty Bundle, they did send me this. What I tell y'all. They did send me this to review for free. This is not a sponsored video. They're not paying me to say anything. They're not paying me, period. They just sent me a box. So, you know. So, you know, I'm always honest. I'm always going to speak my truth. If I don't like it, then I don't like it. This is a bi-monthly box. So that you'll get a box every 2 months. You get my paper. Y'all know me, my brain's about half gone. So every 2 months you'll get 5 to 6 full-sized items. Absolutely love that. There is free U.S. shipping, but they do ship internationally. That's good. It's $34 for a box, and it's either going to be a value to add $100 or more. You can cancel anytime, so that's really good. If you want to pay for 6 months, you can save $6. If you want to subscribe for a year, you'll save $14 on the boxes. That's pretty good. Now again, they collab with a new influencer every other month. So it's going to be like a 1 brand box every month, but it's always going to be an influencer, which is something that I really enjoy. I love that, guys. I love seeing brands supporting influencers. I really do love that. So, and of course, each box is going to feature a new influencer. They started this box back in October 2019, so they are fairly new to the subscription game. I really do like the fact that they collab with influencers with their own brands. So, oh, and let me slip this in here. I seen Raw Beauty Christy and her Pure collab. I just watched that video. I just want to tell her congratulations. I knew it was coming. Now they'll be featuring makeup, skincare, hair stuff, I guess anything beauty, guys. Is every box that they sell, they donate $1 to the City of Hope for Cancer Research. And so they sent me June and July's bundle, which they collabed with Manic Adore. Now, if you don't know who Manic Adore is, they are a fairly new brand. I just love her stuff. I love her products, or at least the ones that I got. So we're going to see what she's done to this box. Let's go ahead and open her up. I think that is so neat. Now, I hope this comes every other month. So I guess it tells about the brand, and it also shows the items that you got. So it looks like these 2 months, there's 6 items. And again, you get 5 to 6 full-size items. That's really good. Let's see, it says this box has a value of $150, but now I already took the liberty of calculating everything, it's actually $154 that you're getting for $34. Their previous box, I believe they collabed with Guy Tang. You know, he does hair stuff. In the very first collab, I believe, was Sadia Slay. So I can't wait to see who they're doing next. Again, you get your card. This is the inside of the box. Can you see that? That is, oh my God, it looks so beautiful. You know, Manic Adore, I think her products, her packaging is, it's like really luxury, but it's also lightweight at the same time. So I really do like that. So the first thing in the box is, let's see, what is this? Okay, this is the Hydration Happy Face Mist. Skin loving ingredients derived from seawater. Hydrating formula helps soothe and calm skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application. So I guess it could be used for a setting spray, but it's more like a refreshing mist, I guess. Well, let's smell it. Oh, that was a really nice mist, and it smells really fresh, guys. It does. It's got a cooling effect to it. So it does smell, and it feels really fresh. I love that. I can't wait to try that with my makeup. I want to see if it works as a setting spray. Alright, guys, so the next thing that I got out the box is the Manic Adore Turn It Up Volumizing Mascara in the shade Jet Black. Let's read about that. Okay, now, oh, I forgot. The mist is valued at $19. Now, this mascara is valued at $29. This says, rich, creamy, long-wearing mascara that won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. The custom wand reaches every part of the lashes, keeping them separated and defined for the perfect flutter with flair. Now, again, guys, Manic Adore, I love the packaging. It's lightweight, but it still looks luxurious at the same time. Love it. Love it. Alright, now here is the mascara. Again, love the packaging. I hope it ain't one of them wet formulas. Okay, so it's not gonna splatter on me. Ooh, I love the wand on that, guys. I don't know if y'all can see that really good. I'll try to get some B-roll in here for you guys so y'all can see that really nice like that. Now, the next thing that we got, guys, is this. I believe this is a lash serum. Yes, it is. Okay, this is valued at $29. This is the Manic Adore Luxe Lash Serum made with a non-irritating property blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use of this serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set. So that's, well, yeah, I really need that because I'm always doing, you know, those, when you use falsies, you really need something like this because, you know, them things be ripping out my eyelashes in the first place. So I try not to wear them as much as I can. Aki, please don't. Ooh, guys, look, it's got a little diamond on it. That is so cute. I love that little stone. Now, this, again, very luxury, but lightweight. Love it, love it, love it. Now, this is a serum, so I'm going to be careful with that. But there's the wand. It kind of looks like the same wand as the mascara. All right, guys. Now, the next thing that we have, what is this? Okay. This is the Manic Adore Longwear Powder Split Pan Duo Multi-Purpose Time-Saving Compact. Can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and shadow. Features two textures, matte and pearlized, that glide on smooth for easy application and glowing finish. So let's open this up, guys. Now again, I went ahead and cut off the tape so I wouldn't be having trouble on here. And I'll be looking at me like I'm crazy. The pack is very nice. So there is the outside, and it's called Uptown. I guess that's the shade names. Oh, look at that, guys. Look, can you see yourself? Oh, you can see yourself. So, of course, it comes with a nice mirror on it. And it is a split pan. It looks like a blush and a bronzer. So, I'll do swatches on that on the B-roll right there. Now, guys, really the smell, I don't like the smell of it. It smells like gas or something. But I'm sure that goes away once you use it. Y'all know what that reminds me of? That reminds me of that Girl Lactic Duo thing. Let's go on to the next. Did I tell you the value of that? That was $24. Next thing that we got right here, I'm assuming is the, okay, this is valued at $29. This is the Manic Adore HD Press Perfecting Powder. Create a matte, silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Longwear Universal Powder for all skin tones. Keeps makeup put on all day long. Okay, so it's kind of like a primer and a mattifier. Aki, I swear, if you just... Aki, get off of that. I swear, a cat tries to ruin my life. The same packaging as the last, the Split Pan Duo. Now this says High Perfecting Powder. So basically what this does is it mattifies. Ooh, I love the little designs in that. So this basically is like a mattifying powder that you put on top of your foundation, like a setting powder or something, but it will make your look more matte, which I like, because I like matte looks. Got that same damn smell, y'all. I swear it smells like a... Oh, Lord. I hope that goes away. I mean, it's not strong. You know, I don't smell it until I put my nose to it. But I just want to be honest with y'all. Alright, guys. So the last thing in the box is this right here. Looks like a lippy. It is a lippy. Okay. This is valued at $24. Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. Built-in primer for a long wear and a smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and a stain. Infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extract. Please be a nude. Please be a nude. Picture didn't show nude. Alright guys, so here is the packaging. Really nice, really nice. Okay, this is in the shade Sienna. So this is a lip gloss stain, which, you know, I'm not too fond of. It's got kind of a dairy smell, or bakery, like, smells like I'm standing in a bakery. And it looks like a nude, but it looks like a little bit darker nude. I do like the little doe foot applicator right there. So again, I'll get swatches and stuff for y'all. I'll insert some swatches and stuff of this, all this stuff. Anyways, guys, that is the box, and I will update you guys if any of this I happen to actually hate or whatever. I'll put in a video on down the line. But again, this is the June and July box, and it was paired with Manic Adore. So I love the fact that they collab with influencers. I just love that. I really do. So I can't wait to see who's next. I want to go check them out, and we'll have them linked down below. And I believe they did give me a code. I'll have to put it here on the screen somewhere. I don't pay people no attention. But I believe I do have a code for y'all. However, I'm not making no money or nothing off of it. I just like to do these unboxings and like to be honest with y'all, so y'all don't have to waste your money anywhere. But I do, however, overall think the box is worth that. $34 every other month for a box valued at $100 or over. This is definitely worth it because, again, you are supporting influencers that have their actual own brand. So I like that. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And let me know your thoughts about this box down below in the comment section. Have you ever tried this box? What brand would you like to see next in their box? And I think they're about to start doing spoilers, so get ready for that because I might start doing spoilers for this box. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Benny Singh. Benny says, I'm first, finally. Oh, Benny, honey, there was one ahead of you. But again, YouTube shows me different than y'all are seeing for first comments. That's why I usually do this. If somebody else thinks they're first, I usually just pick their comment because YouTube does that, because you know YouTube's shady as I don't know what. But Vinny, honey, I really appreciate you coming and watching my videos and having your bell set. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check, please. Make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept the gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. Here's one more tiny thing before you guys head out.
Damn YouTube.
If you would, make sure your notification bell's set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. Again, I do a lot of spoilers. BoxyCharm, Ipsy, you damn sure don't want to miss any of them. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.